Have you noticed something different about our website? That's right, we got a makeover. Well, not just a makeover. The changes aren't just superficial. We didn't just tinker with the fonts and slap on some new images. You asked and we listened. We added the features you need to make designing and printing your piece faster and easier. On the new and improved psprint.com, you can now place your order faster with fewer, more simplified steps. Upload and view your artwork right on the product page before you order. Use our enhanced preview and crop capabilities to resize, reposition, and crop your image. See your final price, including shipping, right on the product page. Email a quote to a client, supervisor, or friend. Download product layout guidelines for any of our products in various design software platforms. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Try it for yourself. With more than 40 different print products and discounts as high as 60% off, you're bound to find something you like at a price you love.